For this MagicPath challenge, I just created a SaaS template, around like 3 templates, which is useful for kind of SaaS. We can go on to it. So this is the first one. So this is the overall design, and this is a starter template, like how the things looks. This is a feature section, and this is how the whole thing. And just scrolling up, this how everything works. Under the footer section, and this is the second one is little bit of a kind of a neon and dotted thing. Same feature section, and this is our pricing plans, and this is like the neon texture, and this is our full of the same things. And this is the third one. Everything is similar, like I just focus on the dark and UI. This is our hero section, and how you just the same if you use the whole thing, it connects. And this is the whole 3 kits, and we have like I just made a rounded rectangle navbar. So this is a rounded rectangle navbar where you can put your things, and this is one of the vertical ones which I have done. Vertical ones where you can put your logo over here. Okay, then this is the compact one. This is the compact one where you can do the stuffs, and also the black variant of this where you can place your logo, all the stuffs. Everything is mobile responsive. And this is our hero section. This is one of the hero section, and this is modern hero section, and this is the gradient one. This is like you see the grid pattern, and this is a beam, like a kind of thing. This is all about the hero section. And then this is one of our feature section, spotlight kind of things. See this, and I just use some space, and I used to have a rounded rectangle kind of a thing, a good animation kind of stuffs. And this is our 2 pricing plans, and this is the one of the pricing plan. Like I like how the things works, and same thing for this also, how you can feature the pricing plan. FAQ, there are this even 3 FAQs for this, and this is, I just changed the light source, how it's in the blue thing. And same, you can see this, it is onto the another typography one which you like. And we have 2 contact forms what we used, and this is the one, and this is the one. It's good animation kind of things. And after that we have the CTA buttons. This is the basic CTA button, like the things, and this is something called the 3D ones which we are using, kind of a 3D. And saying this is like a horizontal one. This is like a vertical where the balls are vertical and floating here and there. So, and we have here like a footer, the last one, the footer section. This is a footer section, like this have the rounded rectangle, and here we have the kind of thing, and background is moving with some lines. Same, yeah, this is a compact one. And I hope you have loved my SaaS kit. I am going to keep on updating like the sign in login, like you can use it and you can modify this. I just published into the community. You can use it, you can check it out how the things works, you can modify it. I hope everyone loves the starter template kit for this MagicPath challenge. Thank you for Lucas. Without Lucas, I didn't know what is MagicPath. I really love how the MagicPath works, and it is really good though. So this is all some of the things what I have built. Okay, thank you. Maybe we can see if I win this challenge. So there are so many upcoming AI videos on how I do vibe coding, and make sure to follow and subscribe. See you in next video. Bye.